Democrats in Congress are set to convene crucial meetings in Washington on Tuesday that may impact President Joe Biden's bid for re-election. Concerns have been raised about the 81-year-old president's capacity to serve, following a faltering debate performance against Donald Trump last month. On Monday, Congressman Adam Smith became the 6th Democratic representative to publicly urge Mr. Biden to step aside, stating that the party needs a stronger messenger. However, a prominent Democratic fundraiser, Lindy Lee, defended the president in an interview with the BBC, asserting that Mr. Biden remains the best candidate to challenge Trump in the upcoming November election. While she conceded that Mr. Biden's debate performance was bad, she emphasized his success in restoring the U.S. international standing. Mr. Biden will be in the spotlight on Tuesday as he hosts a meeting of NATO leaders. Additionally, closely watched meetings of House and Senate Democrats will take place, where the president's candidacy is expected to be a significant topic of discussion. The debate regarding Mr. Biden's mental fitness has intensified since lawmakers returned to Washington after the July 4th recess.